Hey guys, this video gonna unbox this the Steel S mouse. Okay, so this was the design. Later we try to unbox it. Before that, we run through the see the packaging. Okay, this is 2-year warranty by Alcatroz. Sorry, do not pronounce it. Okay, you can see this was Sony Gear Lab. Packaging designed by Sony Gear. Oh, protect by here, you see. Okay, so this was designed. Now I try to unpack it. Wanna use the very hard to unpack this thing. Oh my god, you can see how it's difficult for me to unpack. Should be easy thing, right? And they securely pack it. Okay. Okay. So what inside? Okay, mouse, nothing else, just some security coin. Okay, another one. So this was a mouse. Okay, this was a mouse. This is the reseller, Indonesia reseller, Jakarta. Okay, all owned by the Sony Gear. So this was a mouse design, you can see. USB. Made in China, Singapore product of Singapore. Okay, so I feel it's nice. You can see it's quite quiet. Yeah, it's quiet mouth. Nice. So that's all for this video, the mouse unboxing. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, the simple unboxing video, please give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and goodbye. And also don't forget to subscribe to Amsure channel. Goodbye.